So good day. Um, First of all, I would like to thank the organizers of State of the Map Asia 2024, the Bangladesh OpenStreetMap community, and also the Bangladesh Youth Mappers Network. You've been doing great work in hosting this year's State of the Map Asia conference. I'm excited to share with you today an initiative that's close to my heart. So, our journey in advancing OpenStreetMap through the validation stages via the Regional Validation Hub in the Philippines. So, my presentation will is just short, actually. So, I'll just go over it, and you can ask me later on after this. Okay, so next slide, please. So again, my name is Fayandal, and I'm a volunteer of OpenStreetMap from Manila in the Philippines. And I love to work with open data such as OpenStreetMap, and I like using free and open source software like QGIS, Python, etc. And I've been also involved in different small groups in the Philippines, such as GeoLadies Philippines. I've been mentoring a local chapter of Youth Mappers. I've been also volunteering for HOT, and I also work for UPRI NOAA Center. Next slide, please. So this presentation will walk you through what the camp is all about, the rationale behind it, its journey, and our key takeaways from this experience. So next. So what is the Philippine camp about? Sorry, about the slide, I think it's not compatible with the PowerPoint format. But anyway, I'll just go over the talking points. So essentially, it's an effort to build the next wave of OpenStreetMap validators who are community members that who does not only contribute but also ensure data quality across the platform of OpenStreetMap. So it's actually a hands-on program where participants learn how to validate edits systematically with, of course, guidance from experienced mappers and validators. So it was actually inspired by the validation hub of Youth Mappers itself and also by the humanitarian OpenStreetMap team, global and local validation team. So next slide. So our purpose was to actually design to help mappers to take the extra step, which is to validate and ensure that the quality of the maps we rely on are applicable. And our goal was quite ambitious because we want them to advance from beginners to intermediate to advanced level. So next slide. So we actually started around 48 people. And then what we wanted to have is all of them become advanced level of mappers. So next slide. Next slide, please. Okay, yeah. So the initiative was born out of the realization that registering on OpenStreetMap doesn't guarantee sustained commitment in contributing to OpenStreetMap data. And many contributors drop off after making edits or after participating a single mapathon. So leaving validation, which is an equally crucial part, neglected. And even when validation happens, it often relies on quantitative metrics rather than qualitative insights. So this is very apparent through the hot tasking manager because um, not all mappers can validate data unless you qualify to a certain level of mapping metrics. So that's a challenge that we wanted to address through this validation hub. So aside from that, validators also focus on the number of edits reviewed rather than the actual value or the quality of the data or the contributions being given by the mappers. So next, so that's why we launched this camp with high hopes. So we started with 40 students who showed the initial enthusiasm. But as we progressed, only 8 participants managed to finish the um, the program itself. And now let's talk about what worked and what didn't. So one of the key opportunities that we discovered was that, um, or the problem is that, um, next slide, sorry. I am already finished here. Okay, that. Okay, so only 8 participants were able to finish the whole program since it's quite long. The program is 4 session, actually five, including the kickoff session. So it really requires time and commitment among the participants to be able to finish this. So to walk you through what we did, so next slide. Okay, so the itinerary of this camp was designed to immerse the participants in the OSM validation parts. So we introduce OpenStreetMap again as a refresher, especially to those who are beginners. And as you remember, there were 38 beginners who joined because they were very interested in advancing their mapping skills. So we started with OSM ID editor, and then as we go on, we discussed the different challenges in terms of OSM edits and how we can address those edits using the validation techniques of JOSM. And then we also covered some validation tools under the JOSM platform, and also invited Willie, who was the initial developer of OSM Chat. And then we covered some more advanced validation techniques so that the participants can be able to learn how to validate complicated data sets or edits. And then aside from that, we also had some mini quests to make the camp, since this is long session, more interesting. So we call them the secret side quests. So next. So these are the tools that we actually used when we were in the camp. So these were all remote. So we were just coordinating through Discord. So that's our main channel of communication. And then all of the materials, all of the PowerPoints and the demos were documented using Notion so that they can go over it even after the camp itself. And then, of course, the platform used were mainly JOSM, as it has the advanced tools for validation and their internal equipment, such as the computer and then their mouse. So next, let's talk about what actually worked and what didn't during the program. Next slide, please. So one of the key opportunities we discovered was the value of having an intentional program and then dedicated participants. So those who stuck with the camp showed noticeable growth, of course, in their skills because, as you know, 38 participants joined as beginner, and as we progress, they were able to learn how to validate even using ID editor, and how to address common errors and warning using JOSM. So these were very important since that was the main intention of this program. However, challenges were inevitable here. So, for example, sustaining interest proved difficult. So since this is a very time-consuming project, energy levels of the participants, including me, waned and focus became inconsistent. So participants weren't able to attend some of the sessions, but still there were many participants showing dedication by attending all 4 sessions. And next slide, please. So reflecting on this program, we believe that this is quite a noble initiative. It's also similar to what the Youth Mappers Validation Hub and also the HOT validation teams were quite doing. So its success is actually requiring more than just enthusiasm or interest in validation, but also much importantly, it needs time and commitment as capital from the participants itself. And also, Aside from those, it also highlighted the value of collaboration, since a strong support network from trainees or the participants to the actual mentors and peers can make all the difference in sustaining the energy level and the focus of the participants in staying in this program, and even after the program has ended. So in conclusion, the Validation Hub Philippine Camp reminded us of the incredible potential of the OpenSeatMap community when intentional programs are paired with committed efforts, like what the participants has shown us here in this camp. So it also highlighted some gaps that we need to address, both at the individual and also at the systemic levels, so that we can push OpenStreetMap data quality forward. So I think that's the end of my presentation. So thank you, and I love to hear your thoughts or any or answer any questions that you may have about the camp. If we have still have time later. But next slide. So if you're interested about what we do in Youth Mappers, you can go to our Facebook page. You can also visit our Twitter and Instagram to learn more about our programs. And if you have any questions, you can reach me, next slide please, through my social media account, Facebook or on X or Twitter. So thank you so much and have a great State of the Map Asia conference.